Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My English book standard 7. Teeny Tiny. Here is a traditional story that creates horror and fun at the same time. The words teeny tiny repeated throughout the story to add the fun. The story takes you to the world of fantasy where the ordinary things also appear mysterious. Stories of old women are common in traditional tales of the many. Teeny Tiny. Once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Now, one day this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. When this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, they came to a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate and went into a teeny tiny churchyard. And when its teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave, and the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, "This is teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper." So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket and went into her teeny tiny house. Now, when her teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, she was a teeny tiny bit tired, so she went up her teeny tiny stairs to her teeny tiny bed and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. And when this teeny tiny woman had to been asleep a teeny tiny time, she was awakened by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard which said, "Give me my bone." And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit frightened, so she did her teeny tiny head under her teeny tiny clothes and went to sleep again. And when she had been to sleep again a teeny tiny time, the teeny tiny voice cried out from a teeny tiny cupboard a teeny tiny louder, "Give me my bone." This made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened, so she did her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under her teeny tiny clothes. And when the teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, the teeny tiny voice which is from the teeny tiny cupboard said it again a teeny tiny louder, "Give me my bone." And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit more frightened, but she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes and said to her loudest teeny tiny voice, "Take it."